Hello, my name is Ingrid Carolina Tuperes. I am going to answer this questionnaire. 1. Where are you going to travel? I will travel in August. 2. What city place are you going to visit? I will go to Cartagena. 3. Where are you studying? I in 5-star hotel. 4. What are you going to bring? Summer clothes. 5. Who are you going to invite to that trip? I, my family. 6. What tips will you do in Thai place? Sunbathing, swim, visiting Thai walls. 7. How much money will you spend today? I will spend 2 million. 8. Will you bring and somebody from your old days? Yes, to my friends. Thank you.